leave, 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 annual leave, annual leave, annual leave, sick leave, sick leave, sick leave, maternity leave, maternity leave, maternity leave, paternity leave, paternity leave, paternity leave, leave. For example, I need to apply for a leave of absence next month. Annual leave. For example, I have 5 days of annual leave left this year. Sick leave. For example, she's on sick leave due to a bad flu. Maternity leave. For example, she will be on maternity leave starting next week. Paternity leave. For example, he's taking paternity leave to be with his newborn.